When this case about the stolen phone reaches the criminal court, all the facts can be classified into three categories: facts in issue, relevant facts, and irrelevant facts. Facts in issue are the central facts that need to be proved or disproved to decide the case. So the fact that Mr. Y stole Mr. X's phone is the fact in issue, because if it is proved, Mr. Y will be punished. If it is not proved, then Mr. Y will be released. Then there are relevant facts, which are facts directly connected with the facts in issue, or they are connected to another relevant fact. Mr. X had a phone is a relevant fact, because it can be stolen only if he had it in the first place. So Mr. X will have to prove that he previously had a phone and now it is missing. Mr. Y was seen entering Mr. X's apartment. This is a relevant fact, because if it is proved, it shows that Mr. Y had the opportunity to steal the phone. Mr. Y is physically disabled is also a relevant fact, because it may show that Mr. Y could not have possibly stolen the phone. Some of the other facts, like the earth is round, Mr. X is a man, Mr. Y had idlis for breakfast on that day, are all irrelevant facts, because they are not directly connected with the facts in issue. It doesn't matter whether these irrelevant facts are true or false.